Worst dad jokes of all time. Go.
I asked my brother to pass me a leaflet. He said, bro, sure.
What does Arnold Schwarzenegger say at the beginning of a chess game?
What?
I'll be black.
In which Indian city do people always leave their mothers?
What?
Mumbai.
My wife left me because I'm too American. Sarah coming a kilometer away.
That was so f***ing bad. My wife's leaving me because apparently I'm obsessed with astronomy. What planet is she on?
I think my wife is putting glue on all my antique weapons. She denies it, but I'm sticking to my guns.